Hey guys, it's Sam from Scrubs and we've got another full car gloss PPF in today. We've been doing a lot of matte recently, so we're going to switch it up with some gloss PPF. This brand new Alpha is in this week. It's in this gorgeous metallic green. We really want to make sure we protect this paint. This car's getting gloss PPF and tinting on it. We've got a hectic week this week, so let's not waste any time and get straight into the video. As always, each of our PPF cars gets a full detailed hand wash to remove any debris that could get trapped under the film. Then it's straight into the booth. This Alpha is also getting tint. We use a ceramic tint that comes in a wide range of shades, right down to darkest legal. The reason we specifically use ceramic tint is for its superior heat rejection. It keeps the cabin cooler and blocks out harmful UV rays. And if you've ever tried to buckle a seatbelt in the middle of Queensland summer, you know exactly how important this is. Now that the tint is fully dried and adhered to the glass, we're jumping straight into disassembly. For every PPF wrap, wherever possible, we remove any handles, badges or trim pieces. This gives us a cleaner install with fewer joins or visible edge lines, basically making the wrap invisible to anyone looking at the car. This car already looks unreal in its gorgeous Montreal green, but we can't wait to see how much better it will look once the gloss and colour are enhanced by the PPF. On the front fender, we're going to start by anchoring the wrap around the badge to ensure correct placement. We didn't remove this badge because it's quite large and it's very tight to the panel. So we're going to use the computer cut template and stretch out from the badge. Next, we work our way down the panel, pressing the film into every crevice and bodyline for maximum coverage. So onto the doors. Same deal here. We're going to align the film at the top of the door. This will basically line up all of the edges in its correct spot. And we're going to work top to bottom, pushing all the water and air out as we go. Removing the door handle means we can fully wrap the door cuts without any joins. This will also help stopping scratches from rings or keys that you'd normally get over time. Then, like before, we work down the rest of the door, carefully pushing out all of the air and water. Yesterday, we knocked out all 4 doors and the front fenders. Today, we're getting stuck into the bonnet. We're going to tackle this bonnet with our 4-corner stretch technique. This will stretch the film over a large area of film, which will reduce the stress. The bonnet has 2 unique air vents, which add a bit of a challenge, but not for us here at Scrubs. Once the bonnet's installed, we'll hand cut out each vent and slowly work the film into every single fin for a seamless finish. Then we'll wrap excess film underneath the bonnet, completely hiding the edge lines from view. We're super happy with this bonnet. We didn't need any relief cuts and it looks fantastic. Onto the rear quarter panel. This doesn't have any badges or trim pieces, but it's easily the curviest part of the car. This means we have to be super careful with how we lay the film to avoid unwanted fingers, which could leave crease lines or distortion later. Moving on to the front bar. Alfa-Romeo has gone all out with this design. It's full of sharp lines for that aggressive look, but still blends beautifully with the flowing curves seen throughout the rest of the car. Because of the shape and multiple cutouts, we chose to backroll the film onto the surface. We start near the center of the badge to get perfect alignment and gives us a firm base to stretch from. Then we'll tackle one side at a time, working our way back towards the center. We take our time here, making sure the film sits exactly where we want it. reducing any chance of lifting or popping once it dries. Alright guys, so this car is all wrapped up now. It's looking absolutely gorgeous in the gloss PPF, making this beautiful car stand out even more. If you want to get your car done, make sure you head over to scrubscardetailing.com. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks guys.